Embark on a captivating journey into the realm of cognitive factors in learning, a domain that extends far beyond the bounds of traditional conditioning theories. This deep dive, tailored for AP psychology enthusiasts, aims to unravel the intricate ways in which our minds engage with and acquire knowledge. By exploring the pivotal cognitive processes that influence learning, we'll unlock a richer understanding of how humans absorb, process, and retain information. Let's navigate through the complexities of cognitive learning theories, making them accessible, engaging, and indispensable for mastering AP psychology. The rise of cognitive psychology. The mid-20th century witnessed a paradigm shift with the advent of cognitive psychology, moving the focus from observable behaviors to the unobservable workings of the mind. This shift brought attention to mental processes such as attention, perception, memory, and problem-solving, which play crucial roles in learning. Understanding these processes is essential for AP psychology students, as they offer insights into the mechanisms that underpin our ability to learn and adapt. Information processing model: the mind as a computer. One of the foundational concepts in cognitive psychology is the information processing model, which likens the human mind to a computer. This model illustrates how information is absorbed, input, processed and stored in memory, processing, and later retrieved when needed, output. Key components of this model include sensory memory, short-term or working memory, and long-term memory, each serving distinct functions in the learning process. Grasping this model equips students with a framework for understanding how information travels through the mind's complex systems. Jean Piaget, constructing knowledge. Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development revolutionized our understanding of how children construct knowledge. Piaget proposed that learning is an active process, where learners build on their existing knowledge through experiences and interactions with their environment. His stages of cognitive development, sensoromotor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational, highlight the evolving nature of thinking and reasoning from infancy through adolescence. For AP students, Piaget's theory underscores the importance of developmental stages in shaping how we learn. Lev Vygotsky, the social context of learning. Lev Vygotsky introduced a groundbreaking perspective, emphasizing the social context of learning. Contrary to Piaget's emphasis on individual cognitive development, Vygotsky argued that learning is inherently social and collaborative. His concept of the zone of proximal development, ZPD, highlights the potential for cognitive growth when learners engage in tasks just beyond their current abilities, with the guidance of more knowledgeable others. This theory illuminates the powerful role of social interaction and cultural tools in facilitating learning. Albert Bandura, observational learning and self-efficacy. Albert Bandura's social learning theory, now more commonly referred to as social cognitive theory, expands the understanding of learning to include observational learning, or learning by watching others. Bandura's famous Bobo doll experiment demonstrated how individuals could learn behaviors simply by observing others, without direct reinforcement. Additionally, Bandura introduced the concept of self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations, which significantly influences learning motivation and achievement. These concepts are vital for AP psychology students, showcasing the nuanced ways in which cognition and social observation contribute to learning. Elizabeth Loftus, memory construction and misinformation. Elizabeth Loftus's research on memory has profound implications for understanding learning. Loftus showed that memory is not a passive storage of information but an active construction process, subject to distortion and influence. Her work on the misinformation effect and false memories reveals how new information can alter our recollections, underscoring the malleable nature of memory. This research invites students to critically consider the reliability of memory and its impact on learning. Metacognition, thinking about thinking. Metacognition, or the awareness and understanding of one's own thought processes, plays a crucial role in learning. It involves monitoring and regulating one's cognitive processes in learning situations, such as planning how to approach a learning task, monitoring comprehension, and evaluating progress toward the completion of a task. Developing metacognitive skills enables learners to become more effective and autonomous, making it a key area of focus for those studying cognitive factors in learning. The cognitive revolution in education. The insights from cognitive psychology have significantly impacted educational practices, leading to strategies that enhance learning and retention. Techniques such as spaced repetition, retrieval practice, and the use of mnemonics are grounded in cognitive principles, aiming to optimize the encoding and retrieval of information. Understanding these strategies provides AP Psychology students with tools to not only excel academically but also to apply cognitive principles in real-world learning scenarios. In conclusion, delving into the cognitive factors in learning reveals a rich landscape of theories and concepts that transcend simple conditioning models. For AP Psychology students, mastering these cognitive principles opens up a deeper understanding of how we learn, offering strategies to enhance personal and academic growth. As we continue to explore the fascinating interplay between cognition and learning, we equip ourselves with the knowledge to navigate the complexities of the human mind, paving the way for success in AP Psychology and beyond.